What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with MyEcon using your smartphone. And it's all with the touch of a finger. So let's get to it. As you can see right now, I'm in my back office of the brand new app that we are using as a team for MyEcon. And I just want to show you how you can make money with this system, because you have to understand something. You know, the money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. So the question is, how would you like to be able to follow up with your prospects or your leads as soon as they opt into your capture pages? And that's one of the things that this app does, is it allows you to contact that person on the spot within a few seconds, within a few minutes, however quickly you can, send a message out to them. And I'm going to show you that we already have quick replies. We already have rebuttals set up. We already have the capture pages set up. The only thing that you need to do is start running traffic. And we show you how to do that as well. Okay, so let's walk through this app. I'm on the home page now. So the first thing you're going to do when you join, okay, the first thing you want to do is go through these first few videos here, okay? The first one is the Welcome to MyEcon. These videos are not long. You want to see the app site overview. You want to understand your why. Why are you doing this? You know, what's your reason for doing this? Why are you wanting to start a home-based business? Okay? Goal setting. Then we have join our team on Facebook. Okay, so once you get to there, then you would move on to the next one. But the only thing you want to do in order to watch any one of these videos, and it's just real simple, is click on the watch video tab here, and the video will pop up.
What's going on, guys? Daniel Kump here. Hey.
So, and once it's done, up here, if you notice, you'll see 1,600 points up there at the top. And if you'll start getting points as you go through each video. And so we want you to go through all of the videos before you even start trying to market your business. Unless you already know how to do that, then you're good to go, but still go through, the videos as well. And so once you went through each one of those videos, your next move you want to make is go to the training, okay? In the training, once you click on training, you're going to start. The best place to start is in MyEcon training. You want to start here. Once again, go through each video. Watch the video. Okay. You can watch that. Want to just go through the video. Once you have done that one, you click on here. You go to the mindset. A lot of people don't think they need to have the right mindset for business, but yes, you do. You got to get out of the W-2 mindset to work on a job mindset in order to work a business. And I do want to say this. Don't quit your job. Use your job as a way to fund your part-time business. Work a full-time job, but start a part-time business with MyEcon. And I'll explain that in another video, because that's a concept that I've really been thinking about, and I think a lot of people need to know about. Okay, so back to this video. Just want to go through each video. Look at duplication, self-development, the 3 core foundations, having the right mentality, a free ebook for you. Okay, once you get to there, once you finish watching all the videos, you're going to go to the next level. Traffic. You want to know how to get traffic? Well, we teach you how to do that with this system. Okay, everything is done. Different types of traffic, free versus paid. Creating a traffic budget. You need to have a budget. Ordering traffic from solo ads and from Bing. Okay, and you order traffic. Now what? Okay, so you look, there's 2 ways you can get traffic. One is free, one is paid. If you go the free route, that means you're going organically, either on YouTube, trying to get on doing YouTube videos, or posting on your profile or fan page on Facebook. Free is good, but it's going to take up your time. So what I would suggest you do is just have a little budget setback in order to start getting some paid traffic. Now, understand this. You may say that you don't have a budget, but here's the thing. When you join MyEcon, if you do the W-4 and you have a job, if you do the W-4, then you're going to get the money in order to start purchasing some traffic and take care of your membership at the same time. Okay, so think about that. The next thing you want to do, you want to change levels. Go to the follow-up. As I said earlier in this video, the money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. If you follow up with the people that you get into your system, you're going to be, well on your way and thing. And don't worry about that, because we have you covered in that as well. And let me show you what I mean. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, let me see if I can go back, go here. We're going to go to your pages. These are the pages that we have, okay? We have 3 pages. You have 2 opt-in, 2 capture pages or opt-in pages or squeeze pages. And then we have a video here, presentation video that's 15 minutes long. It's just a 2-step system. That's all it is. There are nothing complicated about this. And you can easily go in and have it set up. If you wanted to set it up quickly, the only thing you have to do is click edit. Okay, I'll use this one in the middle. Click edit. And you see where I have my link here? You would put your join now link in there and click update. Okay. Then you would do the same thing on this 3rd video and the same thing on the 1st video. You're going to put your MyEcon join link in all 3 of these videos. You want to make sure they're in there. And now you're set. You're ready to start marketing or promoting your business. Okay. You'll have your leads list, and this is the mobile app version. You have your leads list, all of the leads that are coming in. These are just some of them, not all of them. Okay. So you'll be able to get in contact with your list. You have quick replies. Okay. You have them here also on the desktop as well. Okay. So you have email templates, 3 email templates up here at the top, and text down here at the bottom, SMS templates down here at the bottom. You can edit these to fit, your voice, okay? That's all you have to do. You can edit, click on edit, go in here and change them. Understand that whatever you change here on your app, on your phone, is also going to change on the desktop version as well. So making money with MyEcon in your smartphone is simple, because when you're out and about and you can't get back to your computer, then hey, you have your computer in your hand. Your money maker is in your hand at all time. Okay, we have scripts. Okay, what if somebody say they want to talk to their spouse? There's a script for that. I don't think I can do this. There's a script for that. I don't have any time. There's a script for that. It just goes on and on. MLM phone lead script. There's a script for whatever, any objection people can come up with. There's a script for it inside of here. Okay, and then we have push notifications and things. So we'll be notified of special events that's going on, or webinars or something we need to get on. Okay. So the next thing, you want to take you back to the home page. So that's how you can make money with your smartphone with MyEcon using your smartphone. Okay. We have an app for you. We have a desktop version of this for you. We have the system set up, and it's 100% free. It does not cost you anything. The system, you just join MyEcon and you come on in. And if you decide to join with me in MyEcon, I'm looking to bring in 3 people right now at half price. So what I want you to do on that note, if you're looking to come in this week for half price, then hit me up on Facebook, send me a friend request, and say half price in the message, so I'll know that it's whoever it is, you saw this video here on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to ask you to do. If you want to get in MyEcon for half price, and also get this free marketing system for free, 100% free, message me on Facebook. Okay, message me on Facebook, half price, or text me half price with your name in it. And that being said, I'm out of here. So if you want to join, if you can do those two things, okay, text me or hit me up on Facebook, half price. Okay. And if you want to go ahead and just join my econ right now, there will be a link in the description below for you to get your hand on this marketing system for free. If you just join my econ, let's get this thing rolling. I'll be more than happy to help you. I'm going to help you get set up and just follow the training, and then we'll go from there. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead on and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll be notified. Like, share, and comment on this video if you have any questions. And I look forward to working with you, and I look forward to speaking with you. I will see you on the next video. Peace. You have a good day today and a better day tomorrow.